one I'm watching first, just because the price is good. I kind of want to see it sell off out of the gates. Would I buy it at 10.50? Yeah, I would, but I'm watching it here. The spread is too big right now. 40. Well, right now.
So I'm short VKTX here at 22. Didn't really get that flush that I was looking for. Okay, I'm going to add here up around the VWAP. Hope we get flushed. I'm in half size here. Average of 36, so we're just about break even. Might take this half off here just to reduce the risk. $41 on the bid, $48 on the ask. So I was definitely premature on my first entry. My second entry was a little better up here. Got in at 13.50, so that entry is just about break even. So the ad was good. Might add here if it fails. Looks like it's starting to get heavy. So I'm in 3/4 size here. Not a great average. I'm just about break even. I'll be taking some profits here off soon. Really looking for this to fail. So just a downsize on risk. I took a little bit there, quick 20 bucks. I hired my average. I'm at 13.37. Really looking for a big flush here. I don't have a price target on here yet. I guess $13 would be the area. So this is at 13. We'll see what happens. Under 13, I'm going to take off a little bit. Now we have just a quarter position left, and we're going to try to ride this out. Hopefully it pulls back underneath 13 pretty far, and then we can get an ad maybe around this. We can take some more off around this 12.50. But just sitting back watching the trade. Up $100 for 2 minutes of work's not bad. I could take the other portion off now. It would be another $75, but I'm really trying to work on my patience here. I feel like this has room. If it comes back up towards my entry, I'm not going to just close it out. What I'm going to do is I'll probably look to add.
Cover, but I think from watching these in the past,
ATXI is just getting destroyed here. I'm not going to be able to chase it, so I'll keep that on watch. $12.77. This is exactly what I like to see. The gap has to fill all the way down to 12. I'm not going to get in too greedy with it. Probably going to take off another piece here because it looks like it's slowing down on momentum. So I took some there at 87. I guess, you know, this is where I end up fighting myself emotionally. Smack, you're talking about Connor. He's in his room. I'm a little, well, he's not in his chat room for the voice on the Discord. There he is. So scale out of position. We're holding just 100 shares left, which is not even a quarter size. I'll definitely look to add if it comes up towards this 1330 area. Keep in mind it's still up 10% on the day, but the overall move started at about $12, went to $15.50, and now we're back around the $13 mark. So a little bit over 50% retracement. If it holds here, it could definitely still go bullish. That $13 profit take was a pretty good take. Looks like it might continue further. Like I said, not going to add anything to the position. Just going to continue watching. RSLS is a former runner from yesterday. Super low float. Possible continuation if it can short squeeze out the short sellers. We'll take a quick look at this. So so far it looks pretty choppy. Up 34%. Right now this is a 1 minute pullback. You can add here and then also add into high a day. But it's starting to get heavier.
We'll see.
Especially yesterday with this wick, I'd be afraid to take it. For me, I would like to rather see it get pumped all the way up. I have a price alert set here around 550, and then I would look to start for a short. I can't trust this. I guess going long, there's not much risk because it's not going to flush real hard below 2. So if you wanted to take a small position, with hopes that it starts to get back up in this $5-6 area, that would be a huge trade. Nice Smack just made $50 on RSLS. You're taking it long here? Alright, so I'm going to close out my VKTX here, up a little bit over 50 cents. Go ahead and cover all. So 236 on that trade. That's a perfect trade right there. A little bit premature on the entry, but it did allow me to add and take more size, and that's why I scale in to trades. If I took full size in the beginning, I would have had to stop out. I would have been uncomfortable in the trade. The risk would have been too big. So having these price levels mapped out beforehand really helped out. For me right now, RSLS, it is up 35%.